Hey guys, today I bought a new lens from Sigma. It's a 35mm 1.4 DG from the Art series. So let's see. They all come in this standard lens bag. It's really nice. This is it. Get to the lens. As you can see, I already opened it. I had to test it. So this is the lens hood. I don't know, just standard. And here we go. Here's the lens. So it's pretty heavy. It feels very nice. It feels expensive because of the weight. It's pretty heavy. That's all I can say right now. Autofocus manual, focus switch. That's pretty much it. I mean, this is pretty solid lens cap. I attached the UV filter so I just need that UV filter to just protect the lens. That's all. Compared to the, I use 50mm a lot from Nikon, also 1.4. And here's some samples I'm showing you that I was able to achieve with. Pretty nice lens. So with this 50mm, I use a lot of lower aperture, like 1.8, 2.0, but I wouldn't rarely use it at 1.4 because it's really hard to focus and it's a little bit soft. Sometimes if you don't really focus properly, so it's really hard to get a really sharp focus at 1.4. So most of my shots here it's taken at from 1.8 and bigger, but rarely use it for professional use for 1.4, and it gets pretty sketchy in terms of focus. So unless you have a tripod and then you just take several shots at in the same location, and hope you have one shot that's in focus. So same with this 35mm 1.4. Most of the time I use from maximum 1.6 because 1.4 is really difficult to get very sharp photos. So yeah, probably the sweet spot is at 1.8 or 1. But it's safer to shoot at 2.2 and stuff. So make sure you're not getting the object out of focus. So yeah, that's some of my tricks. But the reason why I bought this 35mm is because I want a little bit wider field, wider range in order to capture a little bit more of the scenery that I want to shoot. A little bit wider, not too wide. So 35mm is perfect. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It is perfect.